welcome back to the show, everybody. Hello, hello. How's it going? How's everybody doing? Hold on, I have to take care of the lights here. All right, much better. Van Alban, hello there. Diego. Hey, welcome back. All right, let's do this, right? Let's do this. Danny. Good to see you back, Danny. Okay. Kupsa, hello, salute. Salutare. Welcome. Okay, so how was the session after? How was the session after London? We're making our way a little bit lower here, right? It seems like we do. Let's see. Yep, we are. Kind of feel like it wants to go lower. Let's see what happens. We have a demand zone a little bit lower there. Not sure how far it will drop. We can still go to that buy side at the daily reset, so we'll see. Good morning, Bear Trader. Hello. I love the video, man. It was cool. Nice accent, right? Just a little bit there. Smoke Trades, hey, good morning. What's up? Trade Mindset, good morning. Doing great, thank you. Doing great. Amazing, amazing. Amazing videos. I was like, what? This bear is talking. Okay. Let's see, how far can this go? I'm also watching gold. Like, there was a bit of a drop. Not too much. Still kind of feels bullish. Also ES, there is some resistance up there, but no zone that I can go for, so still gonna be focusing on NQ a little bit, and we'll see what happens. We have an Asia low down there. We have this 147 area. Hard to tell. And we do have unemployment claims, right? We do have yeah, unemployment claims at 8:30 Eastern Standard. So that's gonna be kind of cool. HT Photo, hello there. Good morning, Jake. Hello. All is good. Welcome back. Welcome. How's everyone? Nice. Okay, we have 11 likes. The goal is to push it to 20, 25. I know that's how we start. I think, yeah. I mean, you know what? I'm gonna put in a word for you. Like, hey, look, check out this guy. Makes these funny videos and cool videos for the stream. Let's see. I'm kind of watching. I mean, I'd like to see NQ go a little bit lower here. I know it's a little bit strange, but really, I was like, you know, why not? Why couldn't it just go down a little bit, just a little bit more? Okay, dollar CAD also went up a little bit. I want to check something on dollar CAD. I know we're not trading. Oh, not this one. Where is it? There it is. I know we're not trading currencies, but I'm just kind of following what's happening here. Once we hit that level, I would be interested on the dollar CAD situation. Okay, other than that, it seems like NQ is now going back higher, which is cool, above midnight, I guess. So we'll see. Yeah, quite a strong push. Is it going to be able to push it above that 237 though? That's the question. If not, I don't know, it could be a continuation lower. I think it wants to, by the way. It wants to pick up some liquidity here. Simple as that. Just a quick push for liquidity, right? Okay. Nothing else there. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, there's just a very, I mean, not too much liquidity on the micro. Small fair value get both on the micro and the mini on the 15-minute swing. Oops. But so far that's it, nothing more. And it's only like how far? Well, about 20 points higher. I don't know. I mean, it could push, but I feel like it could be a risky situation there. But we'll see. Anyone has a trade going on? By the way, I don't think I want to trade on gold. I mean, so far, not interested at all. There's no supply zone here that I could go with. Actually, this is one at 236. I wonder if it wants to break that. But I'm not sure I want to look at the lower time frames. Guess we shall see. Let's go. We have 19 likes. All we need is like 11 more. 11 more and we're awesome. Okay, NQ stuck here. And again, news are going to be at 8:30. So I'm just going to put a marker here. 8:30 unemployment claims. So that's what we have. My meme on X? I have a meme? I didn't even know. The thing new all-time highs. Well, I wouldn't mind seeing new all-time highs because that's where we're heading to for now. It seems like it. Giptom, I think it. I mean, sorry, both on gold, by the way, and NQ. It could be just pushing higher and higher. There is a risk aversion here overall in the markets. I feel like we just have to get every bullish move, or at least that's what it looks like. You know, take what we can. But who knows? Greetings, Karen. Hello there. Camilo. Hello. Yo, what a good morning. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the like. Yeah, gold is absolutely, it's unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. I really don't know what the hell is going on with gold. No idea. Oh, yeah, that one. Yeah. Just a bit of a joke there. Yeah, we like to joke around. Look at gold is again pushing. Kind of crazy. Kind of crazy push on gold. Feels like it really wants to go. And for NQ, well, on the 1 minute, it's sort of like repricing this move here, but are we going to be able to push higher? That's the big question, right? I have a very small short position on NQ. Let me just show it just a second. It's right here. Okay, so this is the short position that I have. I'm not sure how this is gonna go, but like, you know. I just want to see it go down into that zone. If it's not gonna go down, that's fine too. But like, you know, that's the plan. Plan to trade, trade to plan. Oh yeah, thank you. About the thumbnail. Yeah. Thank you for pasting the same exact message. And have a good day. You're in buys from 54.73. Would you hold, or do you think? Well, I mean, it could be more bullish push here. ES is definitely looking to push. I don't know. I don't know. And gold, you know, previous day high. We have relative equal highs on gold. And it was interesting how at 120 it just couldn't make it higher. I thought that it will, but it didn't. So this one here, this actually did not tag previous day high. So anything is possible. But yeah, I mean, holding a long position wouldn't be a bad idea. Depends on your risk management, risk tolerance. That's it. Maybe taking some partials, moving the stop. Not an advice, though. But maybe would do that. We are just stuck here in this area. And I feel like nothing is going to change until the 8:30 news. That's what I'm afraid of. How are we doing? We have 32 likes. Okay. Can we get it above 50? Can we get it above 50, everybody? You know, team effort. 50 likes. I know we can do it. I know we can do 50 likes. It's super easy. It's absolutely easy. Easy peasy to do. And it's not really moving at all. NQ Unplugged 101. This is the session. Dobro jutro. Hello there, Marco. Tomaslan family. Hello. Justin Wright is here. Hello there. Did they make it right for you? I wasn't trading Take Profit Trader yesterday. I was logged in. So I don't know. I was not putting on a trade yesterday on Take Profit Trader. So I'm not sure. About the rest of the traders. So are we going to drop another 50 points here, or is it just going to skyrocket? What's going to happen? Yes, it's still kind of holding. Burrito, hello there. They are already winning. Who? No, I'm in a drawdown. This is a drawdown. Good morning, good morning. It was not take profit trader, it was a trader weight issue, a data issue. As far as I know, for example, MyFundedFutures did a reset for everybody. That's what I know. I lost all of my TPT accounts in trader weight. Yeah, it was a trader weight glitch. And honestly, I don't know if they did anything about that. You definitely have to contact support, and I guess you did, because I definitely would contact support. I think they have to come up with a solution for that. But I was not trading yesterday with Take Profit Trader. All I know is that MyFundedFutures made a reset for their clients. That is all I know. But so far, this market is just not moving the way I want it to happen. You did contact them, and they haven't done anything yet on my TPT. Oh no. Oh no. There has to be something, Justin, right? I mean, they have to come up with some explanation. If they want to do something good for the community, they just have to, I mean, at least a reset, you know. Worst case scenario. That should be appropriate from them, at least to do a reset. So, but I guess they're still kind of trying to figure out of what's happening, or how to do it right, how to make it right. So, you know. Let me check on Discord. They don't have a Discord, by the way. Take Profit Trader, they don't have a Discord. I mean, there are Take Profit Trader Discords, but those are not official Discords. Yeah, they don't have Discord. Just double checked it to make sure, but they don't. Yeah. I know that there is an unofficial Discord server. Okay, anyway, back to break even so far, which I don't know if I should be happy or not. Gold is pushing higher. I see these relative equal highs up there, but I have no target. I mean, nothing. I'm trying to read some fundamentals, like what could be causing this surge in metals and safe haven assets usually. But I don't want to say that because it also gets a little bit political. Just checked, yeah. I really hope for the best, Justin, right? If you left them a message, they should reply real soon. But yeah. They should at least send emails. Yes, that at least that would be the minimum, that they send a couple of emails, like, or at least like one email, like, yes, we're aware of that and we're gonna make it right. That would be really great from them if they could do that. Yeah, and again, I'm gonna say something political, but I'm not taking sides. I'm not. I don't know what's happening in the U.S. and I'm not gonna say anything about Trump. I'm not gonna say I'm supporting him. I'm not gonna say I'm against him. But I was just kind of reading that all this uncertainty in the global markets is because President Trump's actions are totally like surprising. Let's just say that, like insecure, I would say so, but most likely unpredictable. That's the word I was looking for. So President Trump's political decisions are absolutely unpredictable, and when so many unpredictable things are happening in the world, like just think about everything together ever since he's in office. And that's why I don't want to offend anyone, because I'm not saying this because of political things, just like from a real high bird's eye view, like ever since he's in office, all these unpredictable decisions about the trade war, about the tariffs, last time Greenland, and the wars, and everything else, Venezuela and all that such, like everything, like, is just fueling the uncertainty in the market. It's just fueling the doubt in the investment sector, like most likely in the bigger player circles. And they just so it's just basically pushing everybody to buy more gold. And anyway, there was quite a long article about this, and anyway, I know that the outlet that wrote the article could be, I mean, I don't, anyway, I think I was reading it on Bloomberg, but I'm not sure. Did not send an email. Yeah, they didn't. The dollar, exactly. So the thing that's happening with the dollar also showing that the investors are pulling the plug on the dollar, and they just want to put their money into something that is safer than the dollar. And so because of the United States is like doing unpredictable steps, and not to mention the things that are going around Minnesota, and that is raising some more concerns between the Republicans and the Democrats, and midterm elections, I think, in November, right? So a lot of uncertainty escalating, and it feels like that the big players are just feeling more comfortable pulling out from the dollar, pulling out from other things related to the US economy, and just putting the investments into gold. Again, this was just an article, nothing more. Yeah, I mean, that's why I'm trying to say it like this. I am not taking sides or against any size. I mean, I'm trying to be as neutral as possible. Was just something it caught my eyes. Like I went through this article and was like, you know what, this is interesting. You know, if we count everything together in the past, like more than 1 year now, so I would say it kind of makes sense. Uncertainty in the markets growing and growing, and everything is just fueling that behavior. His limit time in office, so I figure he and his friends and family want to make us. I have no comment on that. Any giveaways? Yeah, K Trades. There is a giveaway on my Twitter. We're gonna pick the winners. We're gonna pick the winners tomorrow on Friday. So if you would like to participate in the giveaway, I'm going to post it here. 2 Take Profit Trader 50K accounts for giveaway. We have 120 viewers and 41 likes. So 41 likes, I think we can get to 100. How about that? Because it could be exponentially better and better. Can we get to above 50? At least, that's just a small step, 50 or 60 at least. So if we can do that, maybe we can have the goal of 100 until the end of the session. How about that? Let's all push it. Thank you so much, everyone. Please support the channel if you can. Let's all, you know, just get to 100 likes. Has to be careful with what he says, or he will be kidnapped. Yeah, they will kidnap me. Yeah, all I can tell you is that the same situation is going on right now. And I mean, the situation in Hungary is that thing I can definitely comment. So right now, the current government is practically doing the same thing that the Russians did when the Soviet Union broke up in 1989. So right now, the government is basically just pulling out even the last light bulb from the ceiling, and just taking the last bit of money what they can still pull out from the Hungarian taxpayer, just to give it to their friends. So the current government is like doing anything. They still have two more months left. So they're selling out the country, taking out some loans, as much money as they can before they leave, because they are going to leave. So they're making as much money as they can. I know, TF, I know. How to enter? Just go to the Twitter, and you have to retweet, comment, and follow me on Twitter. That's super simple. It's in the tweet. And 250K test accounts are going to be given away tomorrow, and I'm gonna put the names out on Twitter. And yes, I know it's not a Twitter, sorry, not a YouTube giveaway, but there's gonna be YouTube giveaways next week. Most likely, we're gonna do TRADEIFY cash giveaways as well, and such. So stay tuned. So far, if I look back, we had giveaways almost every, well, not every week, but like almost every week. Silhouette music, hello, good morning. Your X link on description is wrong. It's wrong. It's working on my end. It's working. 2,050K test account giveaway this Friday. Take Profit Trader. Here's everything you need to know. Here's the comments. Double check. It's working. It also works. So I don't know. It works. When I click show to me, this name account does not exist. How? What? Really? Oh, the okay, so the stream description. Let me just check it. That may be the old account still. Hold on. Yeah, because the X handle has changed. Let me just yes, sorry. Yes, yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, because the TOMSABO biz link is not working anymore. I got the new handle. There's a function on X, basically. There's a function. There was a user with the same Twitter handle TOMSABO, and that user has not been logged in, or at least put out a post since 2014. And so there's a function from X which you can request if there is someone who has not logged in or did not use his or her handle. Then I can request X to try to get it for me. So I requested X about a few months ago, like, can I get this X handle, TOMSABO? And all of a sudden around Christmas, I got the email around Christmas from X like, hey, congratulations, we managed to get you the TOMSABO handle. And I was like, yay, super awesome. So I was very happy about that. So they got me that custom handle, and I was really happy. So anyway, that's how it went. Are we going to get this? What do you guys think? Let's go. Can I change my name to Tom? Yes, sure, you can. Of course you can. Of course you can do that. All right, let's see. What do you guys think? Are we gonna go lower here? Or what's the deal? There's definitely a 5-minute demand zone down there. Let's go. Gabor, hello there. Dr. Dolly. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So do you guys think that we're gonna hit the 150 just to tag that level? You know, just for safety reasons. Is this gonna go down there? Gary, hello. How are we doing? We are having 51 likes and 151 viewers. Can we all push the likes so we can get to 100 likes, please? Let's all do it. Team effort, everybody. Super easy. Oh, wow, look at that. Still didn't go down there yet. Could be a reversal, though. Kabir, hello. The bias? Well, all I'm seeing is that we have a 5-minute demand zone down here. Hopefully we can tag it. Otherwise, you know, we'll see what the news will bring us. You know, let's just hope for the best. Did anyone else get charged again? No, I wasn't. I was not charged again by Apex. Did they charge you again? It's kind of weird that we're hovering here. I don't know if I'm going to trail. I feel like I need to leave some room for the trade. But, you know, I guess we can trail this one a little bit, maybe. I don't know. Like, I'm going to put the stop loss right there. Just to make sure. Yeah, maybe you got the rebuild for the subscription a month ago. Oh, the first one yesterday. That's interesting. That is interesting. Oh, really? Okay. That is new. Hey, Trading Star, what's up? How's it going? So, is this thing gonna go down now or what? I moved my stop. To be honest, this level is a tricky one because it's not a perfect demand zone, and like with demand zones, I'm always a little bit more skeptical than usual. $26K? I wouldn't mind that. Let's go, Trading Star. Keep your head up. And, you know, it's a good thing that tomorrow is Friday, right? Yeah, tomorrow is Friday. So you can already focus on next week, you know. Look at your setups again. Look over of what you're looking like. Trade levels, entry models. I mean, I guess you already know what to do because I think the problem, Trading Star, is not because you perfectly know your trades. You know how to manage risk. You know how to scale in and out from the positions. You see the levels. I think it all comes down to emotions. I have the same problem. I have the same issue. The problem is with the emotions. So, too active now because they charge me full prior to second. Oh. Okay. Let's all smash the like. Oh, Gábor, most látom, köszönöm szépen a supportot a TPT accountra. Thank you. Gábor was just saying, use my code. Thank you so much. Oh, what kind of trader are you? Reversal, momentum, or so? A little bit of both, by the way, but if I have to choose one, I would go with momentum. Momentum trader. I would like to say that. I like the reversals too, but like I would go with momentum. I think it's too late to enter the trade, and to be extremely honest with you, I think this is a low probability trade. I'm going to tell you why. So my target is this 5-minute demand zone. The zone is valid. I like it. It looks good. The problem is that we're going to have news real soon at 8:30. And I can absolutely imagine like this one is just going to hover around until 8:30. And it's not going to move anywhere. I'm just actually surprised that we had this drop at 7:35. So it can still go sideways. I would be very happy if it would just drop 20 points. But it's low probability. And that's one of the reasons I only entered the 2 micros on this one. How are we doing? We have 62 likes. We only need 38 more likes. 38, guys. It's very simple. 38 likes, please. Can we all push it to 38 likes? I think we can. 37 now. Okay. 37 likes. I wonder if we can get to 100. Okay, 34. Let's go. 34 likes needed. Wow, 29. Okay. Let's go. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. 29 more to go. 25. Let's go. It's getting closer. $24, $24. 21. Okay. Oh my gosh, 21 more likes. Shows that you have to update the stream. I mean, refresh the browser. I'm seeing it in my OBS. We have 80 likes. We need 20 more. H yellow. H yellow is at 85. Peter. 85.75 on the micro. 17 more likes, everyone. Oh my gosh, can we do it? 17 more. 14 more. 14 more likes. Oh my god, we're getting closer. Dun, 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 dun.
Hey, let me tell you something. Earlier in the session, I was struggling big time.
Let's go.
I couldn't even get out of my own way.
Let's go.
Then out of nowhere, this sensational feeling took over me, and I just couldn't.
We can do it.
Winning. It was incredible. I was
7 more.
Stay relentless and unwavering in your pursuit. Like a rock that withstands the fiercest of storms. Like being the hardest of rocks, you can stand as a symbol of determination
6.
and resilience. In a world of challenges and obstacles, we
3
remain
more.
unshakable as a rock. Our
3 more.
essence unbreakable. Our merciless resolve is a testament to the human spirit.
Come on.
As rock hard as the
103.
rock hard. We are rock hard. We are so rock hard right now.
Rock hard.
I'm just sitting here, rock hard.
Rock hard.
There's a unique power in that moment when you're rock hard in your gameplay, feeling the thrill of control and mastery that's incredibly satisfying. The sense of accomplishment.
A sense of accomplishment.
Rock hard. When you're in the zone, it is a reminder of your potential to conquer challenges. This feeling is a testament to your dedication and skills. One that can drive you to push your limits and achieve greatness. Embrace these moments, for they represent the exhilaration of being in complete control.
This doesn't sound
Full
right.
potential in achieving your gaming dreams.
All right, sorry. We made it. We made it. We made it. 114 likes. Thank you, everybody. This was a team effort. And look at the market. Let's go. 20 points we need to drop here. Actually, I wanted to play this song, but next time, I don't know if it's gonna happen ever. I'll be on the same session with Barbie. I'm gonna play this song Rock Hard. Oh my god, I am so crazy. I know. On the top of a 5-minute order block. Yeah. Seems like Rocky Mountain. Yeah. Son of Wall Street, good to see you. What's up? Terry's on vacation, but she'll be with us today on My Funded TV, so she'll be back. She'll be back. Terry and Pine Tree are on vacation. Anyone who's a kind of, well, at MyFundedFutures, my account has been reset. So I had an account that had a loss, an old core account, by the way, and evaluation account, and that has been reset. I was trading on it yesterday, and although it would have been a loss anyway, but guess what? It got reset. But that was at MyFundedFutures. How many evaluation? So far, we are giving away 6 accounts per session, or per hour, should I say. 6 accounts per hour through the show, I think. But all I can tell you guys is there are going to be more. And that's why we want to push the likes with My Funded TV as well. Like, just a bit of an insider information, not too much, but we've been told and teased as the crew of My Funded TV that if we can push the subscriber numbers much higher, like not much higher actually, but like as we're getting closer to 100k subs, or if we can push the average viewer numbers to around 1,000 or higher, then there's going to be lots of more giveaways. This is not, I'm not just saying it, but it's the truth. More giveaways. So that's why we also want more viewers, growing the channel, because that way we've been promised to get some more stuff. Yeah, they did it. They did it. Oh. NQ is at 4-hour bullish gap plus NQ swept 4-hour low. Okay, so that's why it's a dangerous area. Exactly, Trading Star. Per hour on your show. Not exactly my show. Like, I would say we are doing a 90-minute segment with Terry. So there's going to be 6 giveaways. After our 90-minute segment, there are 60-minute segments. So every segment has 6 giveaway accounts. These are rapid accounts, for as far as I know. These are rapid accounts with the form. Magnus is doing the giveaway in the back end. Also, he's trying to make sure that it's not going to be exploited by some cheaters or hackers or whatever. And there's going to be no more codes on the screen, because it seems like some very, very smart people were using some software that was making a screenshot as soon as the code appeared, and it immediately typed in the code on the checkout page, and in milliseconds, basically. And always the same names came up who were winning the giveaway accounts. Boom Banana, hello. You know, the thing is that like they reduced the giveaways, but the viewers are still, you know, slowly building up. That's actually a good news, because it's kind of refers to us that people like the content, the show, the hosts, you know. So, you know, the channel is growing. That's actually a good reflection to the show. But we obviously also know that lots of viewers are there only for the giveaways, because it's normal. We're all humans. We want some freebies, especially in the prop trading space. Understandable, you know. Option man, sorry. Oh my god, today I can't speak. Never got what? You won 2 times and never got crap? How did that happen? Oh my gosh. That's not good. Did you contact support or anyone? Gamecraft Trader is here. Hello there. Hey, welcome. So if you won, or there was like, make screenshots or whatever, and you need to contact MyFundedTV. Spyro, hello there. Good morning. On account yesterday, and they haven't sent any credentials yet. What should I do? Oof, Kabir, that's a tough question. If you won yesterday, you need to contact MyFundedFutures support. Or when the show starts, Magnus is going to be around. Please tag Magnus in the chat. He's handling the giveaways, and please tag him and tell him that you didn't receive the giveaway account. So that's what I would do. Yeah, they did that, but they realized that it's actually not organic. Like the viewers and the subscribers, it's good because there were more viewers, because everybody was waiting for the free account, but like they realized that it's not really organic. They wanted to do something, so I mean they wanted to test run the stream with lesser giveaways. Obviously the viewers dropped because, as I said, majority of those individuals were only there for the giveaway. That wasn't the night. Oh, well, okay. If you were doing it in the Asia session, then the next time in the Asia session, please tag, I think Denny is gonna be there. Tag Denny or SK and contact support and ask for your account. If you can wind it back to the show and you can make a screenshot or anything of what happened, that would be even better. That would be even better. Yeah, what you can do is go back to the stream and rewind it where they were picking up the winners. I think the chat is there. You can rewind the chat too, and you can follow through what happened and make some screenshots. Maybe that could help. I don't know. Honestly, this trade is a little bit like, yeah, as soon as they took away the giveaways, the viewers dropped a lot, dramatically. Yes. And the decision is, I mean, I can say decision, like MyFundedTV really wants organic growth, and it's going to take more time. We know that, but that is why we want to bring the best show, the best content, good vibes on MyFundedTV. And I'm just super grateful to be able to work with all the other hosts. I love Terry and I love everybody else. I think the team by now, you know, pretty much, you know each other as well, to trust each other and know that everyone is great in the team. Yeah, option man, go back, scroll back the stream and the chat and make some screenshots. That's one idea. I don't know what's going on with this trade. I'm a little bit disappointed here. I thought that we're just going to drop down lower. 28 minutes until news and not much is happening. By the way, we're getting closer to 7,900 subs. If you haven't subbed already, just watching and lurking in the back, make sure to do a subscription to the channel. Getting to 7,900. Are we bullish or bearish? Honestly, I'd like to see a bit of a sell-off before we continue higher. But in the big picture, I'm going to stay bullish in the big picture. One more thing about this. So this was earnings after 4. And there is a 15-minute demand zone lower. Now I'm going to talk about the same exact thing at MyFunded TV as well. On the micro, the earnings candle here, it didn't go down. It went down to 996.25, but the zone starts at 994.50. So it didn't really go all the way down there. That's one thing. The other thing is this is a bullish pin bar. And as for bullish pin bar, the so-called Wickfield situation is imminent sooner or later, or at least the consequent encroachment, as they say it. But like the hold on, let me just put this here. Where is it? Okay, it's not gonna be super accurate, but I try my best. All right. So I'm trying to refer here to the mid-level. Oh, that's not accurate, but it's like 99% accurate, I would say. So that's 73, the mid-level of this wick from the earnings report. That is at 73, 26,073. So if this is not really going to change until 9:30, then this is going to be my outlook when we do the chart analysis at MyFunded TV. I will be looking for Asia low, then 73, and my final boss is going to be 994 down at the 15-minute demand zone. Even if this trade takes me out, no problem. I will be watching for this, all this area down here. Even if it takes me out now, I don't care. I will be watching for this level all the way through, like Asia low, CE level here for the news earnings candle. That would be something. That is why I'm kind of staying bearish. I like this analysis, by the way. Again, even if I got stopped out, and it moves higher, then this is the 6 p.m. buy side liquidity at 294. Then we have to focus on 350. That's it. So oh, really? He did? He's a great friend. Yeah. I like Methodical Man. Actually, Methodical Man helped me a lot when I was starting out streaming. Without Methodical Man, I would be definitely doing slower with my channel because he really did help me a lot. Last 90%, I got some Apex and they failed and they rebuild at high price. They will refund you. First, room beats, what you might need to do is like write them an email that there was a mistake and you didn't want to pay the higher price for the second month. And hopefully in 1 or 2 days, they should be replying to you. If they are not going to refund you, you can still do a chargeback in your bank. So you have to call your bank and they're going to do a chargeback. But prop firms don't like it. It's not just Apex, but all the prop firms are like, if they see chargebacks, then they're going to ban that person usually. So you gotta stay safe. First, try to contact support. Anubis, hello there. Trish, good morning. I've been gentle with countries, but with the mere touch of a pen, more money would flow. That's interesting. Okay. I mean, yeah, I get it, but this you still I would send them an email for sure. If we go inside the 2-hour order block and stay there like now on Nasdaq, order block is not valid. It's valid. Let's see, 2-hour. You're saying? Let's go to the 2-hour chart. Two-hour. This is the 2-hour chart on NQ. Where's the order block? Maybe I'm blind. I don't see an order block here. 177. This here. So the last candle. It could be an order block if it goes higher, but until it's not confirmed. By confirmed, I need to see. Yeah. Usually the other prop firms send you an email. If there would be a market structure shift here, then this would be confirmed as an order block, these two candles. But if we anticipate that this is an order block, then it's valid technically. But if we close lower, that's still going to be an order block, by the way. The whole, not just the one candle, but 1, 2, 3 candles. These would be all creating one single order block. So if this candle in 2 hours is going to stay bullish, the next is going to stay bullish, that would be the final confirmation that this was an order block. But it's, you know, we can steer this like 100 different ways, because like there's so many different ways to look at this. Yeah, 90% for the first month. Yes, first month is only 90%. Second month is 50%, and recurring month, sorry, 50%, which I already put out on the promo. Yeah, so that's exactly Peter. That's how I would. But so far, if you anticipate it, yes, you can say that we could be in an order block on the 2 hour. So depends on how this current 2 hour candle is going to close, and the next one, of course. Yeah, Rocky Mountain. Yeah, some prop firms are sending an email beforehand. So we are having 130 likes, and Göran von Hayes. Thank you for joining us, Göran. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for being here. Welcome. Trickle in. I know, right? You really have to, Romeo, you really have to work with those 150k accounts. Once you're above that, and once you made it, then obviously it's super awesome. 140 likes. Let's go. Oh, they got you good because loaded up a lot of, oh no, you got a lot of 90%. Eduardo Sosa, thank you for joining. Welcome. Hey Eduardo, welcome, welcome. Oh my gosh, room beats. I can imagine, like, you got rebuilt for quite a few 50% only discount. That's still like, that's like a decent amount of money. Raphael Trades, hello. Hey, shout out, thank you so much. I don't know about Apex. Good morning, good morning. Good to see you guys. I'm so happy for you here and everybody. We're getting closer to 7,900 subs. Oh, excuse me. I gotta have my coffee. And by the way, this is just, you know, I think it's before the news, I think it's just the perfect time for a little bit of a commercial here. All right, let's do a bit of a commercial. No. Da, da, da. Yeah, I see. Commercial time. Let's get it. No, I just wanted to say, like, as for commercial wise, if you would like to support the channel, please make sure to use the code TOMSABO up there. You see it in the banners. All these prop firms that you see in the banners or in the description are supporting the same exact code, which is TOMSABO. It's not just getting you the best available discounts for everything, like evaluation accounts reset, you name it. It's also giving you a 1.98% better chance to pass any of these evaluation accounts. It has been confirmed, scientifically proven. Almost 2% higher chance to pass these evaluation accounts. Not to mention, if you use the code down at your local grocery store or gas station, you are going to get an additional 5% discount at the checkout counter when you say TOMSABO. Also, one more bonus: if anyone is purchasing a new BMW at any official BMW dealership, the TOMSABO code gets you an extra 10% down, only from the BMW 8 Series, by the way. But this was it. So thank you for the support. I do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Yeah, almost 2%. Almost 2% higher pass-through ratio. So not discount, but you have a higher chance of passing any evaluation account if you use the TOMSABO code. It has been proven. Not to mention, oh, one more thing, the lucky charm. Also, you are just going to get luckier, not just in trading, but in life as well. If you want to have more luck, if you want to have more, you know, better intuition, more confidence in your trading, the TOMSABO code gets it to you. Make sure to get it in your local prop firm. Oh my god. Okay. Definitely go for the 8 Series. Yeah. Only the 2-door, not the 4-door. The 4-door is for, like, you know, forget about the 4-door. It's nice. It's a beautiful car. You go for the 2-door. Only the 2-door. Okay. Strictly only for the 2-door. Funded Futures, they don't. They have Rhythmic connection. I think they have their own platform as well. So anything that can connect to Rhythmic, so Ninja Trader, Quant Tower, they have their own platform, which I don't advise. Onyx has some slippage issues, but usually Rhythmic nowadays. And they have something for mobile phones, but I'm not sure. Exactly, by the way, the TOMSABO code is going to give you less engine failures at any BMW, by the way. Are we going to go lower here? Finally, to tag that level. Can we get it, please? We want to get 150, everybody. Hold your breath. We want that 150. Come on. Smash through 150, please, market. Why are you doing this? Let's go through 150. We need to go through. Well, for Mustang, it's in the making, Simba. So we are working on a deal with Mustang as well. I mean, with Ford. It's a work in progress. Stay tuned. Can you please show me how to change a name for a certain account on Quant Towers so I could name a different copied accounts? Ships, I'm gonna be super honest with you. This is my brand new computer, which I bought about 2 weeks ago or something. And to be perfectly honest, on this computer, I only have NinjaTrader yet installed because this month I was trading a lot more on NinjaTrader. And I will install Quant Tower as well, but I don't have it installed yet. So I don't have Quant Tower. Oh my gosh, we just missed the TP. So I don't have Quant Tower yet on this computer. I can't show you. But to change the names, I think you have to go to the connection tab or window, and then you can change the name there. I think when it says the connections, I think you just open up the connections, right click up somewhere on that tray, which is up there on Quant Tower. You right click on it, you go to connections, and I think you can find that connection and right click or just click in the name of the connection, and I think you can rename it, something like that. Dan, hello. Exactly. BMWs are very famous for engine failures. So, but I love them still. Like, you know, why are we not going for that 150 yet? Come on, just go through 150. It's not that difficult. To change the name, you right click the columns account rent revenue. Ah, okay, let's see. Oh no, it's so close. Guys, is this real? It didn't take the TP. Are you joking with me, NQ? It's just a joke, right? It has to be a joke. It has to be. Is this real? It's a weave up bounce. Shrish is getting anxious. No. Bro. What should I do? Oh no, it's going back to 60 now. This is always happening with me. Really. This is the same situation. This is real life, guys. Come on. Son of a... These are the things that are triggering the tilt, by the way. Prime example. Just saying, prime example. That's weird, right? I wanna get my answer. That's why I'm not closing it. And I know it's hard to explain. I mean, I can't explain it in 1 minute, but I wanna get my answer. I wanna get my answer. I want to know my answer. I want to know. I want to know. Give me my answer. Give me my answer. The answer is, I mean, the question. The good question is, what is the question? The question is, was my analysis correct? That's actually more important to me than the profit. I know it sounds weird, and that's why I just can't put it to a few simple words. For me, it's more important nowadays. I want to know if my analysis is correct. I want to know it. And in that case, I want to know, actually, the number is going to be 147, by the way. I want to know if 147 gets tagged. But as an answer, I take the 150.25. But I want to know my answer. Yeah, if the market says like, all right, Tom, here's my answer, and boom, goes up, I take it. All right, then I'm going to say, all right, duly noted. I know. Oh, that's the code, TOMSABO, yeah. Oh no, 8 minutes until news. The pressure. The pressure. We have 148 likes. Let's go. Can we push it? Okay, guys, this is hilarious. This is getting to be very, very weird. Why is it so difficult for NQ to do this? Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Here's what I'm gonna do. Before you guys are gonna lose it. I sold one micro, all right? I sold one micro. 50.25. All right, I sold one micro. Buy limit there. Buy stop there. I sold one micro and I put the rest to break even. Is it better? I don't like this, by the way. I hate to do this. When I do this, I just don't even feel like trading. You can sleep now. All right. Much better. Okay. Yeah, this is the leading tilt engine now. So we're not going to lose any money on this trade, but I still, the problem is if it takes me out at break even, that is not that is not going to be good. My answer would be at 223-ish area if it goes up there. If it's going to take me out at break even and then goes down to my original TP, that is going to trigger some tilt. I'm telling you guys, that is going to trigger the tilt. Darn it. Darn it. Okay. I'm gonna blame the weave up. Yeah. Look at that. It's going back up there. My stop is right at the weave up, so it is what it is. Anyway. I'm telling you, if this is gonna take me out and then go down to the TP, I'm just gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but how much time do we have? Less than 4 minutes until news. This is gonna be over in 2 minutes. It's like the line in Top Gun, you know, the original, the first Top Gun. Like, how far are they? 5 minutes. 5 minutes. It's gonna be over in 2 minutes. So the news are 3 minutes and 20 seconds away, but this thing is gonna be over in 1 minute by itself. Look at that. I'm crashing out, man. This is going to wick up before the news, just saying. 3 minutes. Dude, I am so angry. I am so angry. Anyway. Wow, interesting. Dollar CAD is going lower. Right. I'm gonna be careful, don't worry. I'm gonna be so careful, like you wouldn't believe. Because I already took some partial profit and I cannot lose on this trade anyway, so I might as well just going to wait and see what's gonna happen. I'm telling you guys, this is gonna hit the stop loss before the news, and it's 1 minute and 20 seconds until the news. Let's go. Last minute. Last minute. Okay, 40 seconds. Counting down. Dominic, hello. 25 seconds. 21 seconds. 15 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. I guess nothing. Okay. Nobody cares about the news anymore. Okay, nothing is happening. Thank you. Great. What a reaction. Wow. Okay, so nothing happened. The market just doesn't care. The market doesn't care anymore. They just don't care. Unemployment claims is higher. That could be actually positive. Maybe. What's the bias? I like to see that 147 level to be tagged and then go higher. Going for new all-time highs. That's what I'd love to see. Come on. Just go. Can we get it? I want to know my answer. By the way, if it takes me out, that's not my answer. My answer as a no would be at 225. So if it goes after taking me out at break even, if it goes up to 225-ish, that would be a no. If it takes the 150, that would be a yes. Okay. Unemployment claims nothing. 15 points to the downside. It's not moving. It's not moving. What if I zoom in a little bit more? Is that going to help? If I zoom in, you know, more stress. more anxiety if I do this. Is this better? Right? Cool, right? No? I mean, the candles are like really 1 second chart. Can I put it to the right side? Not really. Oh yeah, because of the video, right? I cannot really put it there because I have my control buttons here. I can put them, I can move a little bit to the right, or I can zoom out for video purposes. Trading Star is helping me put together some short videos. If you guys need some help putting together any kind of, you know, short videos or any video editing, Trading Star is really good at it. And he's recording sometimes the screen. I don't think this is gonna, anyway. So make sure to connect Trading Star. He is doing some awesome video editing, and he's helping me out with my shorts. And yeah, for video editing purposes, I don't think that this one is gonna make it. Pay the trader. Well, I got off one micro already. NQ is definitely like oh my god, it's not, I mean, at least take me out. Take me out, NQ, and we'll be done. I'm bearish too, by the way. I'll be looking for that 147 later. So yeah, NQ, just take me out and I'll be done. How close were we down there, right? Very close. Basically 1 tick away from TP. Yeah. Come on. It didn't take, okay. Yeah, almost. Hey, guys, we made profit. We took partials, right? Partial profits are made. It is what it is. Rip. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm signing off. I'll be at MyFundedTV shortly in about 24 minutes. See you guys there. And tomorrow, London and Euro continues. If you would like to support the channel, please use the code TOMSABO. Thank you so much. You know, all the discounts are there. Thank you. God bless you all. Thank you for being here and stay safe. I'll be at MyFundedTV. So, you know. All right. God bless. Cheers. See you guys there.